In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show quiz results in Jotform. By the end, your form will automatically display each person's score right after they submit, making the experience clear, instant, and satisfying for your respondents. We're going to use Jotform's built-in thank you page to reveal the score. This is ideal for quizzes because it gives immediate feedback without sending users to another page. To get started, open your form and head to Settings, then choose Thank You Page. This is where you control what people see the moment they hit Submit. Select the Custom Thank You Page option so you can write your own message. This gives you a simple editor where you can design the message and insert dynamic information from the form. In the message area, type something friendly and direct, such as, "Your quiz score is form calculation." Those curly braces tell Jotform to pull live data from your form fields. The placeholder shown here, form calculation, represents the calculation field that totals your score in the background. If you've already set up a calculation field for your quiz, that token will display the final number automatically. If your calculation field has a different name, just use the matching token for that field instead. The idea is the same. You're inserting a dynamic tag that becomes the actual score after submission. Feel free to add a short message around the score to guide next steps. For example, you can congratulate high scorers, encourage a retry, or provide resources to review. Keep it concise so the score stands out. Clear wording like, "Here's how you did," or "Great job, your result is below," helps users instantly understand what they're seeing. Because this is the thank you page, everything here appears immediately after submission on both desktop and mobile. It's a simple, low-maintenance way to close the loop with your audience. If you ever notice the score shows as blank or zero, that usually means the calculation field isn't providing a value to the thank you page. In that case, make sure your quiz's calculation logic is already set and that you're referencing the correct field name in the curly braces. That's all you need. By customizing the thank you page, choosing the custom option, and adding "your quiz score is form calculation," you'll deliver instant professional results every time someone completes your quiz. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating a more engaging Jotform experience.